In India, all 3D animation company doing exploitation on 3D animators by name of the target and task. Especially I am telling one company name, Symbiosis Technology. They have two branches, Hyderabad and Vizag. How to taking a work in 3D animation company at Symbiosis Technology. I got information by the Symbiosis Technology employers. That was I am telling. When 3D animators joining in this company, that time HR telling working hours morning 9:30 to evening 6:30. That said, but exactly this time is not following in Symbiosis Technology, Hyderabad and Vizag. All 3D animators every day working 14 to 16 hours and work from home also taking works 14 to 16 hours. Even Sunday also taking a work on basis point target second task by the name of the productivity. No holiday, no comp off. Also, overtime is not giving. 14 to 16 hours taking a work by the 3D animators. Caring to 3D animators. Suppose 3D animator 24 hours sitting and doing work. Shot is not complete. That much shot is given. You have to finish target point second and task like that team leader, supervisor, managers forcing on 3D animators. Also screening to 3D animator on productivity lose your salary cutting. The manager asking per hour per day to 3D animator give me your work status. Supervisor, director and client how much work correction is giving, how much retake correction coming. That's not saying. First you reach target point task second. I do not want to reason. You do not tell me any reason. 3D animator every day did work 14 to 16 hours. 3D animator every day did work 14 to 16 hours. Like that asking manager. 3D animators means slavery animators in this Symbiosis Technology Hyderabad and Vizag. Team leader, supervisor and manager saying to 3D animator, how much short working, your work improve. You have to get more salary another company. Like that saying, taking a work 14 to 16 hours by 3D animator. Team leader, supervisor and manager putting a biscuit to 3D animator like this. Supervisor is 3D animator's file not checking. Morning 9:30 to evening 6 o'clock. Team leader, supervisor saying to 3D animators, I have a work. After evening 6 o'clock, 3D animator file is checking and giving correction. Why supervisor doing like this? Because overtime work 14 to 16 hours covered 3D animator. This is a plan. Without completing correction 3D animator is not going hostel room home. Supervisor and team leader, manager and director is not giving permission to go hostel and room. First complete correction. After you go home, hostel room. Team leader, supervisor, manager and director doing like this is a plan. Taking a work by 3D animators overtime payment is not giving. Anyone is asking question. Am I doing a more than 9 hours work next day? Asking person harassing, insulting, torturing on the office. That person himself quit a job. Otherwise removing from the job animators. Establishing scare by the 3D animator. Otherwise anyone is not asking question. Overtime payment. All 3D animators silently working 14 to 16 hours every day at Symbiosis Technology, Hyderabad and Vizag. Team leader, supervisor, director and manager scaring to 3D animator. Do work and speed up guys every day, every hour. Per day like that. Saying there is a no working time, no rules and regulation, no national holiday and international holiday. Only working. And Sunday also taking a work. Client is waiting, deadline is there. Complete your shot. Anybody do not tell any reason. You have to finish target. Second point task, otherwise your productivity lose. Salary is cutting. Only giving 9 hours salary. Salary is cutting. All 3D animators every day working 14 to 16 hours. All 3D animator is slavery on Symbiosis Technology, Hyderabad and Vizag. Indian government, Telangana government and Andhra government is not checking how to taking work by the 3D animator at Symbiosis Technology, Hyderabad and Vizag. This company is running plenty exploitation on 3D animators, open and top at the social. 3D animator asking a leave. Team leader, supervisor, manager is not giving a leave because this is not a government office. This is a private sector. First your target, point, task and second complete and go, otherwise your productivity lose and salary is cutting, like that scared to 3D animators. Without permission going on leave after coming office. That person insulting all front of employers. Any 3D animator putting a leave 3 and 4 days after leave. That person coming office. The manager asking that person, what is your status work? Manager no, already he was a leave. Today came. Wantedly asking manager is not consider that person leave. You are all short pending. Today you have to complete, like that, forcing on him. 24 hours sitting and doing work, all shot is not complete, like that doing torture 3D animators. That person told, I am a leave 4 days. The manager telling, you do not tell me any reason. You have to finish your shots. Target, point, second and task. Client is waiting there. Plenty of running exploitation on 3D animators at Symbiosis Technology, Hyderabad and Vizag. Any 3D animator giving a complaint to HR and CEO, company owner. HR asking to manager, why you taking a work 14 to 16 hours by 3D animators? Manager telling, we are not told do work 14 to 16 hours. All 3D animator himself doing working 14 to 16 hours in office and work from home. Also, manager telling to 3D animator work from home 24 hours working on. Anytime sit and do work, like that saying. It means 14 to 16 hours do work. They are not taking any action to team leader, supervisor, manager and director. All of one. Already they are no. All 3D animator every day working 14 to 16 hours. Overtime payment is not giving, like that activities at Symbiosis Technology, Hyderabad and Vizag. 3D animator is not giving complaint to labor commissioner asking overtime payment because afraid 3D animator. In India, all 3D animation company is not giving job that person. That is the reason 3D animator is not asking for overtime payment. This is all exploitations responsible only client because all 3D animator working for client project. That wise client must be responsible about the 3D animator exploitation. Client is not checking this company is Indian constitution rules and regulations following or not. How is company? How is taking work by the 3D animators? How is attitude, activities, team leader, supervisor, manager and director? CO, HR, company owner by the 3D animators. That wise client must be responsible by the 3D animators exploitation at the Symbiosis Technology, Hyderabad and Vizag. Any 3D animator want to share his exploitation in the studio or 3D animation company, you can reach in comment box.